let's tackle the big question first. What is ViaSocket? ViaSocket is an app that automates action in the software you already use by connecting your existing web apps together. It allows you to automate the work you are currently doing manually or build entirely new automated systems and even prototype your ideas. For example, you can create an automation flow that triggers whenever there is a new Typeform entry to instantly notify you on Slack. Or you can send mails when Google Sheet rows are updated. Or whenever a new contact is created in Google Contacts, you can automatically send a welcome mail to them using ViaSocket. And all of this is just the tip of the iceberg. With a pool of over 5,000 plus integrations, you can effortlessly find and select the app you want to use to kickstart your automation journey. And now, let's dive in and create your first flow. Before we begin with the flow, it's advisable that you create a folder first to keep all your workflows neatly in one place. Once that's done, you are ready to unleash your creativity and start building your first flow. Start by clicking on the New Flow button and now click on the blank flow. To master a flow, you only need to understand two things, which is triggers and action. First, let's talk about triggers. A trigger is the starting point and the most important unit. It is the when in the rule of automation, which is when this happens, do that. And the do part is the action. For example, in this case, we have taken a new Typeform submission as our trigger. So as soon as a new entry rolls in, the flow will instantly come into action. To set up this trigger, just authenticate your account with a few clicks. And now select the form you want to use. With a click on the test button, you can verify the fields of your form to ensure everything is connected correctly and ready to go. Also, it is important to verify this because we will further use this data in our actions. But a trigger is nothing without an action. Action is the do that part of the equation of automation. Let's say you want to notify your operations team on Slack whenever there is a new entry in Typeform. To do that, in Actions, search for the app Slack and now choose Send Message as the action. And now just authenticate your account with a few clicks and pick the channel or team you would like to notify. And now just craft your message. The plus button on the right is for the dynamic field that allow you to personalize the content, pulling in real-time data from responses, making it more functional, and it is the same button through which you can make use of dynamic data from the form. Once everything is set, testing your flow with the Run Flow button ensures and help you verify if everything is working perfectly. Here, you can observe the flow in action as your trigger activates the flow and actions get executed. Satisfied with the result? Now click on the Publish button and your automation is live and ready to handle tasks in real world efficiently. Now for every new entry, there will also be a log in your run history where you can check the responses and status of every step. You can also verify if everything is running smoothly by checking the responses in the log. Alright, in just few steps, you have built something powerful yet effortless. We also offer AI assistants to guide you at every step of the way, making your workflow creation smooth, intuitive, and hassle-free. And it's not over yet. We have also equipped ViaSocket with powerful built-in tools designed to take your workflows to the next level, helping you create smarter, more advanced automation with ease. You can go ahead and explore videos related to each of them. So why wait? Dive in, let your imagination flow, and let ViaSocket take your business to new heights of simplicity and automation. Thank you for watching.